That's why we brought Brian in to answer some of your questions so that he can explain the importance of grades, how we give them to you, and what you can do once you've got them. So Brian, you want to kick it off?
I will kick it off.
Okay.
So, yeah, grades are super important to what we do
at
Companion Labs. They're a big part of what we had when we launched bid testing back in April. They're a big part of what we're doing right now, and they're a big part of the future. So a lot of you have gotten exposed to our grading through bid tests. So you kick up a bid test, you have different bid levels, and you want to be able to identify which ones are performing well, which ones aren't. And so we assign grades to do that. Now, a big thing with our grade assignment is we only assign a grade when there is a level of statistical significance with the performance that is reached, right? So you're not just going off your gut, you're able to make a really informed decision where when it reaches a level of statistical significance, what that basically just means in very simple terms is that the probability that you're going to see that performance continue goes way up.
Right on. Okay, so what happens if you never reach that statistical significance?
Yeah, so it's one of those things where you need to have a certain amount of data and a certain amount of performance to be able to reach statistical significance and be able to have that confidence that you're going to see that performance over a period of time. So if we don't have enough data in the system, or the performance is not really going in a specific direction, then we just don't have it yet. And so at the very beginning, if you kick off a bid test or if you CL track an ad set from Companion Labs, what you might get is I think we have a U over there, right? Yeah, so that just stands for unavailable. It just means that we haven't reached statistical significance yet to be able to assign a grade.
Right, I know a lot of our users have seen these and they're wondering, is this good or is this bad? It's neither.
It just is.
Right, it just is.
It just
exists. Okay. So what happens then if and when you get an A? What does that mean?
What that means, and we probably should have had this feature on day 1 instead of day 180, but we just released grade guides recently, and they're super helpful to understand specifically what an A means, right? So before grade guides, we would say they're good, right?
Right.
And you would have to translate what good meant to your ad account. But now if you go to app.companionlabs.com, log in, you will see your grade guides for both prospecting and remarketing, along with every goal that you optimize ad sets to. So you're able to see, okay, for purchase conversion, for prospecting, what is my performance threshold for an A versus what is my performance threshold for a B, what is my performance threshold for a C. And again, it's based on the context of your ad account and not just ad sets that you bid test or CL track, but all of the ad sets. That's what's defining those performance thresholds for prospecting and remarketing for the different goals that you're optimizing to.
Right.